Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error 0x8096002A. The extraction operation was not completed on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Depending on your bit, you just need to select the download option and download the 7-zip guys. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. After getting installed done, you just need to right click on the problematic zip file and select show more options. Select 7-zip and select extract to program. And after getting extract done, you can open this extracted folder guys. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.